chat. Took a nap because nothing was moving in pre-market. So we'll see if anything is gonna move. It may just shape up to be a no trade day. What's up, Iron Nuts? You're good. You're good. I'm good, man. I'm good. I've been learning how to day trade stocks since February. It's going pretty good. How's the fam doing? All the kiddos? Glad you're doing good, man. Glad they're doing good. It's good to hear. This candle pulls back, or I get a little bit of a pullback, I'll consider getting in on SMX. Right now, it doesn't look like it's giving me an entry. It's going pretty good. Um, Yesterday I was up $520.15 on the day. I haven't traded anything today. I woke up way early. Nothing was moving, so I went back to bed. So yeah, it's been good. Mm. Yeah, I woke up this morning, nothing was really moving, so I went back to bed and just woke up and got back on. But yeah, trading's going good. I'm only paper trading, which is basically like in a simulator. So I'm not using real money. Um, just practicing. So yeah, yeah, it's uh, it's definitely the recommended way to learn. So when I first started, I was losing money consistently. But now, I can't stop yawning. Now I'm working on being consistently profitable. So that's not the pullback I was looking for. Let's see what happens now. No, I don't think this is gonna do it. All right. Not seeing an entry on anything really.
Look at the filing. When did they financials?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Um,
Morning, Eddie.
they're due. They're due for an earnings too. Um, can anybody see on their side when earnings is supposed to play out for HTOO?
I don't know. I don't have never looked for use or anything. So
Okay. They did one in May. I'm just going to assume that maybe every quarter, right? So May, June, July, August, maybe September. I don't know, but yeah, they're due for some earnings news sometime at some point. But yeah, so but this looks like a potential short for today. So I'll be keeping this on deck. IVF, we're down 50%, and this is a gapper. You said that you went long and short on this one,
yeah,
Pare?
yeah.
Yeah, nice. What was your entry at?
I put the on the chat my trades.
Oh, okay, nice.
I'm still chasing with the limit orders, so I have to.
Gotcha.
I'm not so
Gotcha.
used to use
Okay.
nice average on the buy side, right
Let's
at
take a
the
look.
right in the bottom.
Let's take a look at this.
Then I was late. I had a phone call. I didn't manage to take the short from the double top.
Gotcha. Okay.
I
Okay.
took it only when I saw the big red candle. So
Yeah. Okay. So you got an average in, and then you start selling. Did you get your average back lower? Because I see
yeah,
that you was adding
yeah,
at the top here. You
yeah,
did? Okay.
yeah. I got it 445 average. So
440. Okay. Nice. And then you got it up there near the $5 area. Nice. And then you shorted it. Looks like you shorted the lower low. Is that what you did?
yeah,
Oh, Pare, come on now,
yeah.
come on, come on now.
I told her,
I gotta give you, I gotta give you some. Nice, very nice.
yeah, but it was the red candle.
Yeah.
If you see that triggered me. But then I realized
No,
that
no, for sure, for sure. It broke when it set that low, and it kind of it broke a high, and then it came back, and then it broke. So yeah, that was trading into weakness. I like that. That would have been my play too.
yeah, my target would have been about 350, but I had something to do, so
Yeah.
I can't leave this without watch. I don't trust these stocks.
Oh no, for sure, for sure.
When I turn my back to it, then it has bounced at about 100%.
Yep.
All right, have a good one, Iron Nuts.
Yeah, that's a solid trade. And then I mean, and plus you're going into a
Thanks for
demand zone
stopping
at
by.
this 350 anyway, so it might have some resistance here or consolidation might fail, hopefully fails.
Yeah,
But
there's a top pivot top at 350 in the pre-market, so
gotcha. Okay.
that's the one I was aiming to. Maybe it goes there.
Gotcha. Nice. Very nice.
Yeah, this is just a tipping the toe in the water, so
All right.
to your dark side.
Very nice. Okay. And then I'm looking MEDP, but that's a $400 stock. That is that's not low small cap. Yeah, there's really nothing much popping, so HTOO is going to be number one on the day. For me. Anybody else has traded in pre-market? What did you guys trade?
I have not traded anything yet. Just looking, like you,
Okay,
just starting to get to it.
nice.
I haven't traded anything. I woke up for pre-market and then nothing was moving, so I went back to bed.
Yeah.
Same. I woke up for 3 a.m. session and then it was slow. But I did short LMFA, and I guess when I woke up, it went crashing down. So I was able to at least get one trade in.
Nice.
Was you did it overnight on this one, or was it you just got up early?
I basically, as soon as the market opened at 3, I had already knew what the resistance was,
Okay,
and I went ahead and shorted it at open, but it just wasn't moving at all really at open, and then finally it went down.
gotcha.
So it took like 3 or 4 hours for the move to happen.
Yeah. Nice. Nice. Well, look at that.
Well, I start to scan my normal thing, so
Look at the five.
large
Look at
caps.
the five there. Oh, LMFA. Oh, that's nice. Oh yeah. This is a that was a day 2 runner, and then now it's got some weakness in here.
Yeah, I got it at 485.
Okay.
I shorted it at 485. I shorted it at 495 or something like that, like really high. And then I went to close it and accidentally bought more shares. So then my
Gotcha.
average sucked. It wasn't that bad. I was still able to get out in the green.
Okay. Well, so what made you pull the trigger for to short this in this particular time? What made you see something like what was it?
So yesterday, right before I went to bed, I went ahead and like just looked at a bunch of stocks and I was like, let me play some stuff, ahead of time. And so that's what I ended up doing. I ended up and this was just one of my top plays to short, like right at 3 a.m. open. It was like
Gotcha.
on my things to do. So ended up working out.
Okay. Nice. Yeah, because I'm
Yes,
looking at I'm looking at the daily chart here, and where did this go? It went. The high was at yesterday was at 497, 498, and then we have resistance here on the daily at 536.
Mm-hmm.
So, what if I look inside of the chart here, right? Let's see if there was anything else. You definitely got resistance at this 498, this previous pre-market, and that happened 7-11. And then once again, and that doesn't show on the daily. Yeah, that's I like doing this now. And there's resistance at 543 there. Let's just keep scrolling over.
SRPT looks really big. It doesn't have anything been under. Only way is down for it.
And there's nothing
Testing the
else that
last.
shows. But that was good. That's a nice trade. A nice trade.
Thank you. If I see
Mhm.
anything like that in like after hours today for a setup pre-market, I'll let everybody know. But I think it's gonna help me because I noticed there's a lot of retail in the market right now. So I'm like, okay, I may not have really good setups, so I'm gonna have to like kind of be a little bit more methodical.
Yeah.
Not during trading hours to kind of have a setup if there is nothing. And that helped this morning because I mean this morning literally sucked. Like everybody just about went to bed
Yeah.
after waking up. So
Yeah.
I took a nice little nap myself. So yeah.
Okay. Good. Very good. Very nice.
Alka, take a look at SRPT. I have
Uh,
never
what,
seen a stock that big.
what's the ticker?
SRPT.
SRPT. SR.
I haven't looked at the weekly, but or monthly, but
Let's see. This
oh yeah,
ticker's
it has
down.
some room down. What?
What
Oh
do they
wow.
have? They had an offering. They had an offering. Had to be on the 18th that dropped this stock.
Yeah, on the weekly it has some
It went
room. On
from
the daily
It went
Daily.
from basically $20 or 19 to 12. Jeez.
Good morning,
You
everyone.
want to talk about a gapper. Jeez, look at the gap down on this. That's nuts. Was this a real company back in the day? I mean, they
Yeah,
are.
I have some minds of
Look
thinking
at the
that
daily chart. That is disgusting.
yeah,
Wow.
imagine to be buying at the top.
Jeez.
Oof.
Yeah, well, whoever swung this, I mean, there had to be some reverse splits up there somewhere, but whoever swung this,
Good morning, Val.
Good morning, everyone.
hey, good morning.
Good morning.
How are we doing?
Good. I'm the
Good.
only one who has traded small caps. Oh, Jess has two, but
Oh, you've just traded, Pare. You've traded a
thank you
small
very
cap.
much money. I swim in money now. I take it to the sauna.
Yeah, hey, look at the chat. He made $122,000 this morning.
Yeah.
122,000. I mean, he's
Yeah.
buying everyone's lunch today.
900 trades.
Hey, whatever it takes to get there. So
Added a lot.
I'm requesting 2 New York strips. I want the thick cut.
Yeah, none of the thin cut stuff, Pare. The thick cut.
I want my asparagus imported, not from the United States. I want the fresh stuff overseas.
Oh, BMNR is breaking the rates soon.
Where's BMNR at? I'm not even gonna look at it until it gets to the 30s.
No, it's at 40. No, it's gapping up.
Yeah, if it's not in the 30s, I'm not even looking at it.
Yeah, close at 39.50. So I was thinking it's going to break that.
I think this is the 5th day that it's been in the 40s.
Yeah, and Joe is the only one who took the meat of it.
Right. Missed it. And the sad thing is that we were sitting there calling it out too. And Joe was the only one that took it. I was over in another stock.
Yeah.
Oh well.
Blind luck.
I mean, it can't be luck, Joe. We were literally just talking about it. I was calling out the spikes. It was like either 126, 127, 128. It's all lined up. And then once the market opened, I was like, oh, here goes my setup over here.
Yep.
I didn't think that it was gonna happen that fast. It was a matter of like 6-7 minutes. I thought maybe like 15 minutes and then drop, but geez.
Yeah, I was stalking that one.
That's a good stock.
But then it was a little bit of luck, just getting to the market.
Yeah.
At the right
That's
time.
good.
No, Joe, it's not luck. You were watching it. You'd planned it.
Yeah.
Give yourself
the credit when it's due.
Yeah, I did.
Right place at the right time. So, yeah.
I might print that and frame it.
Yeah.
HTOO is going up. I like this.
Have you
I like
still
this.
not?
I like this.
No.
No.
Not yet.
Shorted HTOO at 1188.
Well,
Oh, you already in on short on this one?
Yep.
Gotcha.
I was looking for this at about 13.50. sorry, 1380. Missed it. Didn't get there in time. And then it
Yeah,
made
definitely have resistance at this 1370, 1380 area.
yeah.
I'm just gonna mark it across the board, 1380. On the daily. Also, that 30 is support there as well, but then it failed. So that's a good area to kind of come back and retest. Even though it did pass the 1468.
Mhm.
Yeah, the daily 200 is there.
Oh, at 14?
1360.
Oh,
13,
1360. Okay.
And the
73.
pivot point.
Oh,
And then
okay.
there's
Well, that's
a
just
week,
more confirmation. That's nice.
yeah, and there's a weekly liquidity gap there at 1418 to 1498.
Nice.
Funny, all these liquidity gaps and these are usually where I see support or resistance without the gap. So it's has to have something in it. So it's good confirmation on both sides.
I just hope that they don't do the offering before market opens because I mean it is set pretty high. So see if anything else popped up. No. Okay.
I don't really have anything on my list.
No, I don't have. I only have these two.
Yeah, I had KSS too, but taking that long, there's the resistance just above what where it is now. So
Yeah.
I have to go look for my basket if I see something over there.
I added to my position at $12. I shorted at 12 on top of my position. My average is 11.94 now.
1194. Okay. I'm
I want a better average though. If it can pop up, I'll add more.
So far short could be something.
what is that? 1090, but we have another wick there.
UAVS popping
No,
up.
I do have to take that if it breaks. And then I'll add it to 980 as well.
Google looks strong. It's kind of yeah, I have Google on my list.
I'm gonna have to leave the chat in a couple minutes here, you guys. I'm gonna take my daughter to camp this morning.
Oh. Yeah, my daughter got the first key to his first apartment. So
Oh, congrats!
yeah,
Oh,
she's moving next week. So
nice. How
I'm
you feel?
I'm glad finally alone with my wife.
You gotta be somewhat emotional though. I mean, that's you know.
Yeah, but
But he's
I agree.
glad. You've said it now, Clara. You can't take it back.
Yeah, right. No, that's good. That is great.
Yeah, knowing that she has apartment and working, and next year she's gonna start to study more, so
Nice.
everything is nice and good.
I'm trying to see if it's gonna break this 1090. This is where I want to enter right here.
Looking for HTOO.
Yeah, yeah.
Long or short?
Short,
Okay.
short.
Join,
Um,
join the party.
yeah. This.
DLF is gapping up, but it's
Yeah,
up.
just this pop right here. And trying to hold up. If it breaks this 1090, that's what I would look to go to, just because that's where it previously popped. So I would take this 12 whatever is 1280 as the retest and then go, but it's not there yet. So this might be the retest.
I took a little bit more 11.95, but I think it may go a little higher. Yeah.
Yeah, but we'll see.
It's okay. Better price for me.
Damn hard
12,
to take limit orders.
1206 is my size, my average.
Okay, it's not doing what I want to. So guys, I will be back. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna stay in the chat, but I'm just gonna mute myself, and I'll be back.
Yeah, but
Drive safe.
Okay, Parker.
Have a good one, Parker.
oh, what happens to LMT, Lockheed Martin? It's down 7%. So is EU buying all the guns to Ukraine now?
Did you guys see what happened to OPEN last night?
No.
Yeah, I shorted it.
Yeah, I think it's Powell, right? After his speech, everything just dumped. Crazy move.
I woke up from my 2 p.m. nap and I'm like, oh, this is nice. That's my strategy. Just go in a position, go to sleep, wake up, and whatever happens, happens.
Yeah, nice move on Open OPEN.
That's the just snap roll indicator.
There you go. That's my secret.
Sounds like a good one to me.
My naps go over the trading time, so my naps is about 10 hours. So at least one time it was. Oh, that Nike yesterday will have work the third time, but I was chicken out of that.
Yeah, this might be a no trade day.
Yeah, Nike could be a play today too. That is looking for HTO. Now it's bouncing.
GVH. What is that?
Well, has soon got triggered in.
Oh, they got a reverse stock split as of 17th.
All right. 16.
I will take the shots from this. Oh, come on, film it.
Oh,
Did you well get filled?
This is HTOO.
Yeah.
I'm just watching.
Yeah, me too.
Long. See if it fails here.
Yeah, if it fails here, then it's a short.
1366 at 200, I think. Is that correct?
Yeah.
For 200.
And then I guess it would help if I had the right stock on my trading view chart.
Yeah, that I find that helpful too.
Yeah, that's always good to be looking at the wrong stock.
Yeah, we've all done it. Yeah, we've all done it.
Did the stock just gap up? Oh my God, I'm a millionaire.
Yeah, if this breaks, okay, I mean that. My average is 1371.
Are you still in, Jess?
yep.
Yeah.
Getting killed.
I know one short trader when he takes the shorts on the small caps, he puts the 40% stop loss on the everyone. Every trade.
40%? Wow.
Yeah.
Well, I'm quite not at 40%. Let me see what my average is at.
13 breaks I'm gonna add.
My average sucks. 1246. Too excited and went in too early. I had a short waiting at $14, but I decided to play the whole thing, and that's the consequence of not being patient.
Come on and die.
So you're well and truly a member of the dark side now, aren't you, Pare?
Yeah, I'm
So
taking
let me
all out. I don't hate how this moves. I don't like this VIX over the place. So
Yeah.
you don't have this on the long side. or the large cap. Come on, feel me. Gonna pop up soon. Come on, yes. That was well $60 more.
Green on that trade, Porry.
Yeah.
Oh, well done. Excellent.
I could do this all day. No, I couldn't. My heart wouldn't take it.
Are you in the are you in the blow up account or your other
No,
account?
Flex account.
Oh, okay.
I'm trying to save the blow up account now. It's so nice on the green. So. Oh, now it does when I got to call out. Did you short it? Well.
What?
Oh.
HPOO? No.
Oh wow! Now I would have make 200. If I could have stop orders on this, so I would trade this. I don't like it.
What do you mean?
If I could put a stop loss, hard stop loss, but I can't put it.
You just need to use stop limit. Change your default in settings so that when you drag your stop, it's stop limit.
So stop limit is the hard stop. If I would have put my stop on about 40, 50 or 70. So if I put stop limit there, so it wouldn't go any longer. Because now I have been waiting and looking it for the go to the stop loss, and then I put the limit order, take it out.
Oh, sorry, Barry. I must have misunderstood you. I thought you were talking about not the stop not working in the pre-market.
Yeah, does it work? The automatic stop, or is it only? I use stop orders normal and limit orders when I sell. It's stop limit this that I can put and leave the table, and if it hit my stop loss, and then it triggers. Because on these small caps, I hate it when they run and they go so fast up, so you can't put your limit order because you have to chase the limit order to get the stop, and then the slippage is really bad.
Is anyone else in H200?
Okay.
H200, sorry.
I'm just watching it.
Yeah. Have you traded this morning, Eddie?
Nope.
No?
Well, didn't that HTO fill that gap now? At 1509 to 1477.
1509. Is that on the daily?
Yeah, daily. If you look at the 20th of February,
Yeah.
19th, there's a gap. So it filled that.
Yeah, I'd marked up the 24-hour. But yeah, I see it. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what to make of this one. What are you thinking, Joe?
Do you see my screen? This gap over here.
Yeah. I found it. I'd previously marked up the 24-hour chart.
Yeah, and it just filled that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, that would be a nice trade for you, and you miss it.
Yeah, but it's the only one running. That's why I'm being cautious.
You take all the trades you see. You don't think ahead. Just take it.
No, Taquito's pulling me off if I do that.
It's nice
sorry.
that Taquito is a mentor for someone.
Yeah.
That helps.
Well,
And
he's. I've sort of self-assigned him as my mentor, Pari.
Yeah, but that's good anyway.
Yeah. So yeah, he's my mentor. Not sure if it's. Not sure if that was his plan.
Yeah, but he has to be now.
Yeah, he
started it.
He did. He absolutely started it, didn't he?
Yeah.
So yeah. So he deserves me stalking him all the time.
Yeah. If the H2 TOO breaks this 2030, it's gonna flush because there's 2 weeks on the daily on 20th of May. So that's the only one that's holding it up. Now it goes. Next stop is 1160. I got my small green from that. I'm happy. Like I said, I'm just tipping my toe to the small gaps. Right.
Yeah, I'm trying to see what else out there is. Maybe we've got IVF, IVF, HTOO.
95.
And then some more penny stocks, PAPL. That's popping up on the scanner.
Make a lot of money if I wouldn't be so scared to trade these small caps. Look at my trade on the chat now. And then I take it out, just wear it, just to flush.
Well, green is green, Pare, and we all remember when you said, "Oh no, No, I'm not trading no small caps. No, I'm staying over on large caps. Staying over on the sunny side.
Yeah, but the sun is going up soon over here. 26 minutes. So
Well, there you go.
you are somewhere in the Nordic countries, Lapland, where the sun never goes up. Alaska.
How's your HTOO doing, Jess?
I'm green.
Oh, good.
Nice.
I did so much at 14, 15. It was either I was gonna hit my max loss today or I got a good size.
Gamble.
Gambler now.
Yeah.
Roll the dice.
I was talking with ChatGPT about this max loss thing. What is the best risk to use? But TTP gives the daily max, so that could be a really good hard stop for the day to trade. So it's not bad to use that. If your limit is 300, so it's max 2, or if you have $150 risk. So you could use the daily losses max drawdown for the day if you can't hold it mentally. Damn, Jess, you're not a lot of money now.
Yep, let me see.
Next
I'm out.
stop, 980 is next stop.
Let me go back and look at this. The stats. It wasn't the best. My entry average was 12.53. My exit was 12.04. Close to the 50 cents that I tried to get, but it was ugly because I got in way too early.
Average was 1366.
That's good.
I'm still not could hold that because I'm not familiar with the small caps.
Are you still in?
No, my heart doesn't let me. It's too much excitement for me. I like the large cap, so.
Well, Jess, your win rate is so high that I think you can afford to have the odd trade that's not perfection.
Yeah. Yeah, they took by the way, I have some good news. They took away that trade from yesterday.
Oh, I was going to ask you about that. What happened and what happened? Because you had one where did it enter a trade in the opposite direction, and then another one where you ended up with like 1,900 shares or something?
Yeah, so the one that I added more on accident instead of closing, that still ended up green for me, but that wasn't a big deal. But there was one open. I shorted open, and they did 1,900 shares, which was like 7K, which I've yet to have a position with that much money in.
Yeah.
And so I reached out to support and I said, hey, if you look at my history, you see I don't even take that much. And my max position was only like 1,300 so far. And that was because I was adding and subtracting until I finally closed the position. And so they said, oh, well, we'll do a one-time courtesy and we'll remove this. But be aware, of your position sizing and all this other stuff. I'm like, I know for a fact that wasn't me. Like, but so they took it off. So I'm at like, I think 39 straight green trades now. But yeah, that kind of upset me yesterday.
Yeah. Yeah, I can understand that. Yeah, they will do this as a courtesy. It's what is that? It's just their way of not saying that it was their mistake.
Right, right,
Yeah, yeah. We'll do it for you this one time as a goodwill gesture.
right.
Yeah. Oh well, I'm glad you got that fixed. That's great because I remember you mentioning it yesterday, and I thought, oh, I must catch up with you and ask what came of that.
Yes, thank you for catching up.
Things like that can, it can affect your day, can't it? And cause you to take trades that you hadn't planned, and
Mm-hmm.
yeah, it's tricky. So that's good that you got that resolved so quickly.
Yeah, they actually responded. Yeah, within 24 hours, they got it resolved.
Yeah, good. Yeah, that's great.
Yeah, good to hear. Gosh, nice fade on this HTO from that 200.
Yeah, I could see the divergence on the volume on the 1 minute chart. The price was going up, but the bullish volume from when the first two rips up was down. So that's why I just kept adding to my position because I was like, I don't think they're gonna go much higher after this.
Yeah, and it filled that gap also. From February.
What time frame is the gap on? Is it on the daily or the weekly?
Daily.
Daily.
February 20. No, wait.
I think I'm gonna short this one again.
Yeah, February 20.
Have you still not taken a trade yet, Eddie?
Nope. Still nothing.
No.
Good. You have patience. I don't have.
Yeah, nothing's really giving me an entry or setup,
No.
and I don't really see anything moving.
KSS is pumping right now.
Yeah. Cole's department store.
True. Yeah, share the live traders now. If you don't have anything to do, so watch and learn.
I took an entry at 13.99 on KSS.
Yeesh, that's a nice fade.
It's quite a move on KSS.
Yeah,
Yeah, moving
I'm
like
watching
a
it
small
move,
cap
Joe.
here.
I had that long, but I'm thinking of shorting it. So
I got in at 13.99.
I will look at short at 70.50.
Wow. That is moving. Sheesh.
And it's not a small cap.
Rumor
Not at
has
all.
it that it's a meme stock move. Wall Street Bets or Reddit on KSS Bull.
Yeah.
Oh wow! So not my. I may not short it 70.60.
Meme season again.
It is.
Will this dump on the open, you think?
So big resistance as this 70.60, so it's possible. Next up is 21, so if this is a meme stock, so no support or resistance will work on that. Has resistance on that.
took a small scalp on that one. I shorted at 1650 KSS.
Wow, you're brave. It's nice trade.
Thank you. Well, it looked like capitulation on that last volume candle of 6.6 million.
NXDR. ASF. ASS.
Like the retest of the breakout. I can't take it long because it's so much up.
KSS.
Are you still in, Eddie?
Yep.
VNRX. VLFT. KSS. KSF. BCLI. OKLO. Sophie. ACHR. Bull. PDYN. Air. ASS. SFNC.
Okay. Starting to short the KSS.
I'm out of KSS.
YSXT.
Hey.
Math. NXL.
Market's open. Good luck, everybody.
Thank you.
YLW.
Good luck.
IHR. TRML. ASS. IIRB. SBH. AFLI. PLC. RKLX. HTLM. Replace. GBIO. PLC. US. VLRS. DFLI. DEVS, TILA. FTRE. DFLI. AEHR.
Oh, we're up $735 on the day.
MITAM. VVPR. MTEN. Lobo. MTEN. CDLX. ANPA. 4. HTOL. REA. DFLI. SHPH. DSIW. AIF.
Looks like HTOO is gonna try and test 11 here.
Okay, I'm in Nike. I got the
Right,
yesterday.
right.
Yes, yesterday break.
I'm back.
Hello.
Wait,
Welcome back, Park.
sorry about that. Down the volume on that. What did I miss? HTOO. We had a retest at the high and failed. Who caught that? Who caught that move?
I caught that, but I was chicken out. I couldn't hold it because I don't like how this move.
Okay.
Jesse got that.
Jess?
Yeah.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, so what happened? Did you cut and then redo or
For KSS,
no for HTOO?
HTOO, I was green. I shorted average 1253. Average out is 1204.
Okay, gotcha. Nice.
KSS, I scalped the first one green, and then the second one terrible 1832 out 1893. But that was on accident because I actually meant to trim 10 pairs, but it put in 103. Again, I don't know how that happened, but I know I clicked 10. And so what ended up happening is I closed that position and went on a long, and the long was a win. And then when I went to close the long, I just went ahead and just shorted. So
Oh, it's faulted. There. No, it's
these
not.
glitches, I don't know what's going on with these glitches, but it's so annoying.
Gotcha. Okay. KSS.
I mean,
What,
still in that.
oh, that's Coles. Oh, okay. Very nice. What's going on with
My
close?
average is 1830 on that.
Strip mall occupancy should bounce back despite credit concern. Um, oh, back to school launch. Okay, that makes sense. So this shouldn't be up for too long.
Mm-mm.
What is it? The previous 5 days at 9:20 up 21. Yeah, we got some meat on the bone for this one. Very nice, Nico. I like those entries right at the open.
For the open. Just 3 shares.
No, yeah, it's fine though. That the entries though,
Yeah.
I like it. Looking looking at the 5 minute chart and the 3 minute chart, there's just a lot of wicks right there in that 19, 20 area. So that's a good tester. And I only wish that IVF was higher, making this pullback. I would take this at like 410. Um, risking that $5. This would be like a one in one situation, but it's not high enough for me. Okay, HTOO is back open. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take.
Take a look pocket at HTO. It's filled the fill that gap from February.
Oh my gosh, it just failed. That's where I wanted to take it at, right there at that 1250, right underneath. It's about to halt down again. Oh well. I'm sorry, Perry. What was you saying?
The HTO, the high big at 1521. So that was a classic or Tokitos gap
Yeah.
fill.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
There was a gap from February.
Yep.
So
And it completely failed that. So um, this 1250 exactly where I would have entered at. That was just too fast.
I'm looking for SOFA under 2440. Stop loss above the VWAP. About 20-cent risk. Okay, got filled. It's my KSS short by 20 cents. Target was 50 and 60 or 72. Come on, die.
If we can get a pullback on KSS on to at least like that 1850-ish, 1860, retest that bottom, those sweeps right there, I would take a trade. It looks like it's just going to continue to flush.
Oh, jeez. I was taking it out, but I added it on the KSS short 1572. So now I'm doubling it and it is going down. So
Well, just don't get greedy.
no, now I put my stop now to the point where I was taking it out. I'm looking for about 50 cents more on that. Come on in. 10 cents. Oh, thank you.
IVF trying it again. Testing that VWAP area.
Nice. And there's the fail on IVF. See if it holds it.
Okay, took SoFi out. Small loss.
Okay.
Not half an hour on that.
920. And that's not even tradable. That's crazy.
Nike is strong, but the market is so weak, so it can't go. Going to move the Nike stop to break even. I don't like the market, so
Okay. Um, I might have to take IVF. I don't. The setup is nice. It's at 63 though. I think I can get $1 out of it, but that's little. If we can get up here to this 440, I might just take this. Gee, KSS is down to 13. Wow.
Yeah, what a dump.
Yeah. You're talking about 20 minutes and no pullback.
Retail almost always gets screwed. That's why I like shorting meme stocks.
Yeah.
Just like Open, they did a massive dump on them in Open, on Open at the closing of the day.
Wow, that is crazy.
Yeah, that was
No
a nice dump
pullback.
on that one as well. I was looking at that one short, but didn't take it.
Jeez.
there's my
Well,
KSS. First shot was a loss, then I took more.
and it has volume today, so I wouldn't be surprised if they took this all the way into the red.
Oh man, Sofa had a classic
Just
tag
just
out.
killed just killed the stock already. Yeah, jeez.
any news on the market because they are going down a lot. SPY has 7 red candles in a row.
Yeah, Q's down.
That's more than a 5-minute halt on HTOO.
Hard to take longs when the market flushes. Okay, outbreak even from Nike.
12. Jeez.
Yeah, I got nothing on the long side at this moment.
Yeah.
Hands off.
Where's BM&R at? Is it still in the 40s?
38.72.
Oh,
it's
finally.
breaking the range.
No, finally. That might be a potential long. Let me go back to it later on today.
Oh, it's breaking the pre-market lows. 38.80.
Yeah, that's
That
what I'm
would be
saying. That I think we marked it at what Val, what was it? We marked it BM&R at 31, I think. It was like 31 or like 30 for a strong bounce. I might just take that.
I can't remember, but yeah, we were talking about it, weren't we, yesterday?
Yeah.
Oh, it flushed at $1 down. I missed that. Just typing in that 38 break.
I'm so stubborn about breaking my rule on that, but I should have taken that. Oh my gosh.
Ooh,
Everything
IVF.
is flushing. Yep. Yeah.
I'm taking the retest if it takes to the 38. 20.
Jeez. Yeah, I said it. I said
Spread is 50 cents.
4 to 3. I can definitely see it happening. But I would have loved to get it at like 440, 450.
IVF, right?
Yep, IVF, yeah. Jeez. What a day. What a day. HTOO just reopened. Now let's see if we can recover on this gap here. And I'll test this out.
Just seen HTOO. It's well and truly making fun of me now for not taking that daily 200 play earlier. Oh, I'm not friends with it.
Val, you just be skipping out of the daily. You call it out too.
I know. It's I looked at it in the pre-market and then I saw it just going into the open and here I am now looking at it at 870.
Yeah.
Oh,
And I remind you about that too.
yeah.
You have to put that on the list that is a missed trade. So
Yeah.
So you remember that. Take your calls.
Okay. Well, here goes this pullback right here. So, I'm gonna take this pullback.
Looking at Parker H2.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, get revenge on it for my missed money.
I'm paper trading it, so I'm trying to stay faithful to the TTP rules, but this is where
This is where,
this is where I would be entering right here.
yeah.
It's filling a gap right there. So
Well, if you're worried about the 8%, just pretend that for today you're in an account where there is no 8% rule.
right.
There you go.
I got one more minute, and then I'm gonna go ahead and enter. So if it can keep up at this 927, I'm in on the next candle.
Go.
2, 1, boom. I'm in right here.
10,000 shares, I hope.
Oh no, just 2. I'm staying disciplined on this one.
Oh, Parker, come on.
I know. Just 2,000 right here. I'm gonna risk this previous gap down candle at 1050. I'll probably put it at 1060 because it's probably we got a spread on this. So
All right, chat.
TL
I'm not
step
seeing
coming
anything
up.
that I want to trade, and
there goes the halt right there. But I don't.
so
Hopefully, it doesn't hold.
I'm gonna call it. I got some things I want to do today, so I'm gonna head out and get my day started. So we will catch you all later. Appreciate you. We'll see you next time.